But I still don't understand, and I think you're going to outline it here. If I looked at the notes here, because you did a good job on these notes. What I would understand is, drill baby drill. Trump did that. We just took over two oil tankers from Venezuela, plus taking the oil from that, and that's coming to us.
Right.
Why do our prices have to go up? Tell me. You have it here. I want to know.
All right. So
I want to know. It just doesn't make sense. And I think a lot of people are looking at this and saying, why is our gas going up to close to $4 a gallon or $3.50 a gallon when we hear from Trump, drill baby drill, we're getting a lot of oil, we got a lot of oil, we got a lot of shale, we got this, we got the tankers from Venezuela, we got oil from Venezuela. Why?
And the other question I had is, why is the gas prices going up when that particular oil didn't hit us yet? Even though the U.S. is the world's largest oil producer right now,
Right.
13 million barrels a day from Texas, New Mexico, those, landman.
Yeah, man. Billy Bob Thornton.
It doesn't shield us as Americans here when the price spikes. And that's because oil is a globally traded commodity, right? It's globally traded. So just like if you invest in the stock market, that's across the U.S. or global, whatever. If that goes down, you take the hit anyway. So it's kind of the same thing. It's a commodity. So prices are set by worldwide supply and demand.
Right.
So as soon as the supply starts going down, demand goes up and prices go up. It doesn't matter that we could live without their oil because only 20% come out of that area now. But it's not just the U.S. output. The U.S. output is counted as part of that global commodity. So if the world in general is losing that oil, that's going to hit us too, no matter what. Now, if we were 1,000% on our own, then I could see maybe that's not it. But it's still a commodity that's traded across the globe.
Well, oil did go down today.
Yes, it did. Actually, right now.
I think it went down $40 a barrel or something like that.
Well, it's at $87.23.
What was it yesterday? Wasn't it yesterday over?
$96.
Yesterday was 96?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was over 100 because I heard reports today. I was listening to
It
Clay
might
and
have
Buck.
spiked and then came back down right away.
They were saying close to $40 it dropped.
Here. Okay, so March 9th, yesterday was 95.71. And then today, 86.15 right now. So, and now they're saying.
Going in the right direction.
Yeah, and they're saying once this is over, it may go down lower than when it started. And that's what we got to hope for.
Oh, yeah. We want to get this to like $45 a barrel. That would be great.
Yeah.
That would be great.
Yeah, because.
And I think it's going to happen. If everything goes right, and they do wind up giving up and Trump can go in there, not Trump himself, but send an envoy in there and get somebody to run the country, maybe this Raza Pahlavi, maybe he could do it, and maybe it'll work out. And
it was low as $55, so.
Yeah. And then the stock market will go up.
And when this went down, it went up.
It went up. Well, it did, but then it
came back down.
Came back down a little bit.
Because Trump goes, look, we're going to end this war real soon. And then the stock market goes up and gas prices go down. And he goes, but we may go longer. So now the stock market goes down, the prices go up on the oil. Would you finish the sentence and just stick with it? It's driving everybody crazy.
Yeah.
So that's why it's just a global commodity. And then the other reason I wanted to mention was people are saying, how could the gas prices go up here when that oil hasn't even been refined yet, the expensive oil? Right. And why are gas stations raising their price? Well, here's why. Because once that hits them, for them to buy a new supply to put in the ground for us to pump into our cars, it's going to be that much more money. So even though they lowered their prices, they're making the money now, today, to pay for the next shipment that's going to be higher in price.
Okay. And
then even though the prices will be lower,
right,
they paid more for that gas that came in.
Oh, okay.
But they're making it up now. So, but a lot of people say, oh, price gouging. As soon as they hear it, it's going to go up. They go up.